my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying hello, welcome back here today for a new video. I have some food cooking in the background. I'm really hoping you guys can't hear that air fryer going because you know it's kind of loud, but that's not what we are here for. To have a new unboxing for you guys today. And holy moly, this is the one I was waiting for. It came in a ginormous friggin' box. That's oh god, I'm trying not to break things. Alright, no, that's not gonna work. Oh my god, it's heavy. It's so heavy. Yeah, I know, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I went ham for this one. I sure did. So if you guys would like to see what's in this one, part 2, you've been waiting on it, watch on. So mind my outfit, I was just working out, this is the face we're going with today. So, but my shirt does say happy mama, because you gotta be happy, right? You gotta choose happiness, right? So I'm not even gonna talk because I'm not excited. I'm just gonna get down to it. Only thing I didn't like is my box is already torn, which being so big, yeah, I totally get it. But let's just get into it, guys, because I'm way too excited. And it's time to open this baby up. Presentation is amazing. It's wrapped in this. Again, dust bag looks like this. Beautiful large size. This is the bag. When I saw this on the fashion show, when I watched the repeats of the fashion show, I was like, oh my god, if I would get my hands on that bag, I would be on bag piece. I would have bag piece. And then of course I didn't get it the first time it came out, and then out of the blue I did. So this is the one. Just in case it's being washed out, I don't know. I just want you guys to see all the detail. Amazing, just amazing. It has the, I haven't even taken this off, but it has the tortoiseshell handles. It has a big massive strap, a white one that I probably will never use, and it is just beautiful. So no story, no beating around the bush, because I want to start using this. I wanted to get it out, and honestly with this I'm done. I'm done. I have the matching little scarf for it. Oh, hold on. I just feel like I don't need to get anything else for the rest of the year. It has that gorgeous Zuko print on the inside. It's beautiful. This is the one I wanted. This is the one I always wanted, but bought everything else because I didn't think I could get this one, and then I got it. So that's it. That's it. Ooh, that was quick and easy and simple. Guys, like I always say, choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make. Make the right choice for you. Choose happiness. Oh.